Every premium mangosteen syrup begins here, deep in tropical farms, where patience and nature work together.
Harvesting requires precision, protecting delicate skins while maintaining speed for large-scale industrial demand.
Initial farm-level sorting prevents contamination and improves efficiency before fruits ever reach the factory.
From scattered trees, harvested mangosteens converge into organized systems, preparing for industrial transformation.
15.2 kilos on this crate.
Got it. Moving to the next one.
Proper temporary storage protects fruit integrity during the critical hours between harvest and transport.
Routine inspections ensure mangosteen handling standards remain intact throughout the entire transportation journey.
Final checks remove compromised mangosteen before automated systems take control of production.
Inside the factory, mangosteen intake begins under strict hygiene and efficiency-controlled industrial conditions.
Drying systems stabilize mangosteen surfaces, improving hygiene and reducing downstream contamination risks.
Final sanitization eliminates residual microbes on mangosteen, meeting strict international food safety standards.
Pressure spike detected on line 3. Flow rate is dropping.
Adjusting the regulators now.
Good. Maintain current
Stable.
Cracking is the first mechanical transformation stage, where mangosteen moves beyond its natural protective shell.
Separation systems efficiently isolate mangosteen pulp from inedible shells for downstream processing. Mangosteen shells are not wasted, instead redirected towards sustainable byproduct utilization streams. Cooking transforms mangosteen pulp, releasing concentrated flavors essential for premium syrup production.
Vacuum systems preserve mangosteen aroma while efficiently increasing syrup concentration.
Controlled cooling stabilizes mangosteen syrup, preventing crystallization and texture inconsistencies.
Filtration removes remaining solids from mangosteen syrup, creating a smooth, uniform liquid.
Centrifugal polishing further refines mangosteen syrup, enhancing visual purity and stability.
Laboratory testing confirms mangosteen syrup meets safety, stability, and quality benchmarks. Strict rejection protocols prevent substandard mangosteen syrup from reaching consumers. Data-driven oversight ensures mangosteen syrup quality remains consistent across high-volume production. Bottling marks mangosteen syrup's transition from bulk ingredient into consumer-ready packaged product.
Secure sealing protects mangosteen syrup freshness while preventing contamination during storage and transport.
Accurate labeling ensures mangosteen syrup compliance, traceability, and strong visual brand identity.
Robotic packing increases mangosteen syrup handling speed while reducing human error and damage.
Packaged mangosteen syrup enters controlled storage, protecting quality before reaching markets worldwide.
Environmental monitoring preserves mangosteen syrup stability during extended storage periods.
Careful order preparation ensures mangosteen syrup arrives intact across international supply chains.
Heads up, coming through. All right, set that down right there. We're almost full.
From warehouses, mangosteen syrup travels outward through logistics networks, serving global markets. Every bottle represents a complete journey, from mangosteen farm to finished syrup.